up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're growing fox bodies by the dozen. So I'm just gonna let you all check this one out. It's pretty badass. Yeah. Digging it. Alright, so the situation is, guys, we've been trying to get Alex into a fox. Over and I have been on him and on him and on him. And he actually sold his VMP Supercharger regular cab. Picked up this little monster, and this thing's a blast. I mean, a blast. Since I drove a well put together heads cam fox. Kind of makes me miss my 92. Man, I love it. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm gonna pull over and let you guys check out one of the newest projects at the shop. Here it is. Yeah, black on black 1990 FHP, and this car was actually previously owned by my good buddy Nick Strong, and it was his baby for quite a while, but not really sure what the plans are. But I wanted to go over real quick, let you guys check this thing out. It's got Cobra brakes, it's got the Celine, double black. I mean, freaking. All right, so real quick peek under the hood. It's stock bottom end, TFS 170 heads, TFS intake, Anderson N21 cam, I believe is the cam. Headers, full exhaust, gears, and it is on Holly. If you note, she's not plugged in. But yeah, Holly EFI. I mean, this is very similar to the combo I had in my 92, and super fun. You know, it doesn't make 1,000,000 horsepower, but it's still a really fun car, and blow the tires off at will. So on the inside, she is all black, as you can see. This thing is very, very nice. Does have SN95 seats. We're gonna change those out, obviously, but you can see just how nice this thing is. I mean, it is very nice. Got the Holly screen up there, and it is an SSP, which is really cool. Florida Highway Patrol. Whole lot of fun. All right, it's cold as hell, but I want to see this bad boy do a little chop. Yeah, there we go. There's the Holly dash right there. It's the Terminator X. Super freaking cool. Of course, you can see it's got the certified calibration. Very, very nice. All right, let's get back out on the road. Man, it's big and it's super cold today, so the tires don't have a chance, but I'm telling you, it revs really good. Trick Flow top end kit is always a win, especially when you put the Anderson cams with it. But enough of all that BS. What is the plans for this car? Alright boys, so obviously this car is going to be on the channel. I'm really thinking Alex is wanting to do Gen 3 and 10R80, kind of like what's going in my car. But not 100% sure yet. Hold on, I gotta drop a gear. Damn. Woo! So anyway, back to the talk. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Alex is gonna do Gen 3 and 10R80. He's still kind of up in the air about it. You know, me and him and Dover are kind of talking everything over, looking at options. But probably gonna change the wheels out, do some other stuff. Hold on, lost my Holly screen. But I mean, you guys have seen some of Alex's other Foxes here on the channel. He does it right. This car is gonna be freaking epic, and I mean, it's black on black. What else do you need to say? All right, boys. So there you go, the holy freaking grail, the black on black notch. And guys, you know Alex is a perfectionist. This car is gonna be freaking sick. Don't be surprised if it has some R888s and maybe some Rovos. I don't know, just depending. But the car is gonna be sick. So another cool one for the channel. I'm super excited. All right guys, one quick note. We've got a bunch of parts rolling in for Project Frostbite. Gonna send it off to have the engine bay here painted shortly. Nick's about got his shop done, his paint booth and all of that, so super cool. Lots coming for Project Frostbite, I promise. And if you're not in the drawing for Project Frostbite, link is right below to my premium subscription. Do over $1,000 a month in giveaways, and of course you're entered to win this car, which will be our third giveaway to premium subscribers. So definitely check it out. And if you like black on black notchbacks, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Get you on the next one.